Hello you guys, welcome back to the Expand Love community. I am so grateful to have each one of you. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your New Year resolutions for your body and for looking really beautiful every day in the coming year. At the end of this video, there is a free gift that I have for you guys, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So this is gonna be very fast and easy way for making your goals and getting clarity on how you want to move forward with your body in the new year. Number one thing that you need to do is to get a picture of you from past, how you would like to look, or you could also get a picture of somebody whom you would like to look. So a celebrity or an inspiration that really inspires you to look in a certain way. This is the first thing on your goal sheet. The second thing that you need to get is 5 goals with respect to your weight, the strength that you want to have, how much muscle, how strong you want to be, you want to climb trees maybe. I would like to climb trees. Number 3 is how would you like your hair and skin to look. Number 4 is what energy you want to radiate. And number 5 is what flexibility and movement you want to have. For example, maybe you want to go for swimming classes, yoga classes. So what is it that you would like to have in that aspect? Then write down 5 habits that you would like to get out of your body system. It could be number 1, maybe overeating, maybe you don't want to eat sugar anymore, maybe you don't want to spend time sitting all the time. So 5 habits that you want to get rid of. The next thing you need to do is put in 6 new things that you would incorporate in your life in the coming new year. And what you can do is each one of them you can assign for the next 6 months. Probably the first month could be changing your eating habits and getting to your ideal weight. And you can do this with us because we offer one-to-one coaching on how to lose weight eating as much as you want through a plant-based diet that is going to be 80-10-10, and it will also make sure that you heal any skin problems, any other problems that you have in the body, because we focus on healing through food as well. This January, you can take up the challenge of losing weight and being in your healthy body with us. You can eat as much as you want and you would not have to do any intense exercise. And this is how we follow the plant-based diet, 80-10-10. You can book a free call with us and get to know if we are a good fit for each other for taking you on the challenge of a great good-looking body this new year. It would be really a good start to have a mentor with you to coach you how to eat properly, and also a free gift would be that we help you reprogram your mind so that the change can be permanent. The other ones, probably you could go for yoga classes, swimming classes, maybe you can make sure that you build your muscles. So for each month for the next 6 months, you can put a goal and then repeat it. Another thing that is very important when you write your goals is that you feel them. So imagine yourself in that new self that you are willing to create, and also think about how your life will change if you make sure that you follow all these things. So create a story in your head. The question that you have to answer is how your life has changed because of changing your body. So maybe you are now creating a food forest, or maybe you're traveling the world because you look so beautiful and because you're healthy and you have so much energy. So get into that imagination and write it down. Another question that you can answer is how is it that it will affect the family that you're living with. So maybe they get inspired through you, maybe because you have so much energy, you are having a very positive impact in their life. That's it, and we are good to go. So this is how you can create your new year's resolutions and goals that you want to have for your body. And then post this in your room. Just put it on a paper and write it in your room and put that picture, and that will make sure that you follow it and it keeps going on in your subconscious mind. I will show you my vision board really soon. You can also make a picture of it and put it on your screen so that you have really amazing body goals for the year to come. The free gift that I want to share with you is a full-on training, the brand new training that I've created for everyone, for each one of you, on how to lose up to 21 kgs of weight in 21 days. Oh, not 21 kgs, 21 pounds. 10 kgs. Yes, you can get to know how to lose weight on a plant-based diet, eating as much as you want without any intense exercise in this training. And then if you want to have a personalized plan for yourself, you can book a free call with us and I will tell you exactly what you need for your body for the next 21 days. And if then you feel like walking with us, you can walk with us. Otherwise, you can walk away with the plan. So I hope to see you on that free call. You have a very beautiful New Year's and I love you. Keep rooting for your healthy body and I will always be here to show you, guide you and tell you how you can be vibrant and healthy and prosperous with your body and with your mind. Keep going on. Do share this video with your friends if you haven't and it benefited you, and do hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and I love you. You have a very beautiful day.